The weather department forecast heat wave conditions in Delhi over the next 6 days, with mercury likely to soar to 42 degrees Celsius. Delhi records a high of 38.4 degrees Celsius and heat wave likely over the next 6 days. Now, according to the 6-day forecast issued by the IMD, the national capital will be experiencing heat wave conditions with the maximum temperature ranging between 39 and 42 degrees Celsius. Now, Delhi had recorded a maximum temperature of 38.4 degrees Celsius. Remember, 4.4 notches above the normal, while the minimum settled at 18.8 degrees Celsius. My colleague Shreya joins us with more details. Shreya, now, are there being any measures that are being taken in hospitals as well to deal with any sort of heat stroke situations as a heat wave has been predicted for the next 6 days?
Well, of course, last year itself, we saw there was a rising number of heat strokes because of the heat wave conditions in the national capital. And this time around, too, the summer action plan is likely to be implemented, and the authorities are taking action to implement those in a proper manner. If we talk about today's weather forecast, we can see that the conditions the summer has arrived, and the sky conditions throughout the day will be normal with strong surface winds. The maximum temperature is expected to reach by 30 to 40 degrees, and the minimum temperature will be around 18 degrees Celsius. And of course, we know that between April 6th and 10th, the temperature is likely to rise. It is expected to touch 42 degrees Celsius by midweek with strong surface winds. And remember that yesterday itself, we saw the city recording its highest temperature of this season at 39 degrees Celsius, and it is 5 degrees above the normal temperature. And IMD has warned that despite a fresh western disturbance impacting the Western Himalayas from April 8th, Delhi and NCR are unlikely to receive any significant respite. So, of course, to combat the heat conditions, authorities have rolled out the summer action plan, which includes enhanced water distribution, additional tankers, and 24/7 water quality monitoring. Meanwhile, we also know that the Delhi Fire Service has ramped up preparedness, restricting firefighter leave and keeping all 65 fire stations on high alert. Remember, at the same time, we know that the opposition parties, be it the Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party, they have been criticizing the BJP over heat management and have been questioning the government's readiness as temperatures soar. But we can see that government is taking baby steps to overcome the heat wave conditions and to ensure that, the heat strokes that happened last year do not